Hello guys, welcome back to the series Introduction to Python. In this video, we will discuss about the topic if statements in detail. So, what is if statement? When you want your program to change its direction based upon certain conditions, we use the if statement. The syntax for the if statement is this. It starts with the keyword if and it is followed by the condition. The statement which should be processed based upon the condition comes next. And the entire statement should be indented. The intent block is processed only when the condition statement is true. Python will process all the content in the intent block based upon the condition and move to the next instruction in the program. Now we will look into an example to have a better understanding. In this example, we have assigned a value of 2 to variable p. In the if condition, we are checking if the value of p is less than 3. If the condition is true, it will execute the statement block, which is indented. In our case, the condition is true, so the block should be executed and the program moves to the next line. Let's run the program and see. In our case, we should get both the print statement to be executed since our conditional statement was true. Here we go. Since the condition is true, the p is less than 3, our indent block is executed first. Then the program moves to the next instructions. Now, if we change the value in the condition, how the program will react? Let's see. In this case, I'm checking whether the p value is less than or equal to 1. In this case, our condition is false. 2 is not less than or equal to 1. In that case, our statement block should be skipped. It should not be executed and the program should move to the next line, which is end of the program line. If we run this program, we should have only one print statement. Let's see how the Python behaves. Here we go. Since our condition was false, the indent block or the statement block is not executed and the program is moved to the next line. I believe you guys understood the topic if statement in detail. See you guys in the next video.